All right, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to answer this question here, URL of chest exercise. So more than likely, you're going to try to find a YouTube video of the exercise that you find. And for example, I'm just going to do a push-up. So how to do a push-up. And let's say that this is the video that I choose. I need to first watch the video, make sure it's correct, make sure it's appropriate and all that. But second, I'm going to go up to here, and this is what's called the URL, or the website address. And I'm going to click on it one time. If I click on it one time, the whole thing's going to become blue, and that's like capturing everything. And then I can just press Control-C or right-click, copy. If in the case that it does not highlight, and it gets longer, that's okay. You can still double-click, triple click, and you'll be able to capture all of that. Copy it, and then you're going to go back to your Google form, click on your answer, and then you can do right click, paste, or you can do Control V, and it will be located right there. And then when you submit the Google form, I'll be able to quickly see that YouTube link, and then you'll be all set. If you got any other questions from there, just let me know. Good luck with all this, and I'll see you all on Thursday.